Hello people, Max here, coming up with the next video. This time we are building this Porsche 911, as I mentioned, that we unboxed in the previous video. This is how it all looks like. We have this like $15 Porsche Lego to be built. So this is how it all looks like. As you can see, we have many bricks and blocks to use. So here we'll start over with this one, I guess. It says 1, and we will continue on building. So yeah, have fun. So just like this, I began building this set. Here is the instructions. As you can see, here are some wheels for the Porsche. And then I just began segregating everything. I just took like a couple of boxes and segregated all the pieces and stuff. And then I just began building the differential, starting with the differential. So yeah, there were many pieces, many small pieces, but honestly the quality of the bricks was very nice. I didn't have any problems with just fitting in them into the holes and stuff. Everything went just smoothly, and for this price I was very happy. Like $13 is not a lot, and when it comes to the Lego, which goes for like 200, this one was just a bargain. So definitely worth it. I can definitely recommend you guys. And yeah, here is me building the springs and stuff, the suspension, and yeah, everything goes like this. As you can see, the chassis of the car. There were a lot of steps. So, and then I just began using the instructions on my computer because they were a little bit more visible. They were just easier to get to know what's going on, so I just started using those. But yeah, this is how it all looks like. As you can tell, the suspension is done, the differential lock is also done, and then I also began to build the side of the car. As you can tell, I was just using a lot of stickers and a lot of different other pieces of the set. So yeah, as you can see now on a time lapse, this is how it all looks like. And here is this Porsche 911 SRS already built with the interior and stuff. On the back you also get the 6 cylinders flat 6 engine, of course. And yeah, here is the spoiler, this wing, very big wing on the back. And yeah, here is how it all looks like. We're still missing some parts, so just keep on building. Here is me just putting in this giant roof. So yeah, just take a look how it all looks like. It opens on the back, so you can see the flat 6 engine, of course, and the pistons and cylinders actually move, so that's just great. And yeah, it's time for the wheels. So I'm putting this tire on this 6-spoke wheel, black wheel, as you can see. It went quite easily, but I had to adjust the tire quite a bit. But yeah, then it was just fine. The rubber is okay. It's literally 1-to-1 with what Lego does and has on their sets. Yeah, no problems with it. 4 of those, of course. And then I just began on putting those wheels to the car. And yeah, I just clicked and it started spinning. Same thing here, and here. And here it is, the Porsche 911 SRS. As you can see, it looks like this. Very nice, very beautiful car, literally 1-to-1. And as for $13, it's just a bargain. I'm telling you, like, honestly, you couldn't imagine anything better. Lego is just selling this thing for much more, and the fact that you can get the same set for a fraction of price is just amazing. But as you can see, the doors open and there's no problems with it. You can steer the wheel, the steering wheel, and the wheels actually move, so that's just amazing how it all looks like and works together. I like it a lot. You can see this, the wheels in the front moving, so yeah, it's just amazing. And here the back of the car also opens, so you can see this flat 6 engine, of course, and the differential working and spinning the wheels together on the back, so that's just beautiful. And here is the Porsche in its full glory. Just take a look at it. Yeah, it looks amazing. I spent a lot of time building this, but yeah, it was definitely worth it. So guys, I'm already editing the video, as you can see. And yeah, be sure to check my other videos on my channel. They're quite nice. I unboxed a lot of packages from China, and you guys can find some nice items there as well. Obviously, you have the link down in the description to buy this Lego set. That's it guys. Here, as you can see, you also have this orange 911 Porsche if you want to, and this more of a classic one for 1997. But yeah, this one, the SRS model with 1500 bricks, something like that, is just listed for $13.77 US, which is just amazing. It's just a great price, honestly. This 911 Porsche orange one is a little bit more expensive. It's just because it has more bricks and more of the tech went into it. You also get the transmission in this model. Yeah, it's literally the same one as the Lego did. So yeah, that's it. They also have a lot of different sets as well if you want to. The link is down in the description. So again, see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to use the CNFans coupons. There's lots of them. So yeah, just a reminder.